Hello everyone, welcome back to Harsha Trainings. Today we are going to talk about DevOps Engineer Salaries and Job Market. So let's get started with the first job market, right? When we talk about job market, when you check in any job portal like Naukri, Monster, LinkedIn, Indeed, Time Jobs, right? So plenty of openings are there. Currently the market is very good, right? So this is the right time to grab your dream job because currently most of the companies, they are opting the DevOps projects. They are taking that new projects, right, to migrate to automation. So currently manual activities, so we are migrating to automation activities because of cost saving, right? So client always look for the cost saving. So when we check in the portal like Naukri, so today's portal is 50,500 jobs are there. In Naukri, 50,500 jobs are there. And Indeed also plenty of openings are there. LinkedIn, right? So market is very good. So job market, when you apply any job, you will get so many calls. So currently, when we check developers, testers, admins, the salaries are like 1:1.1. Means, for example, developer is having 3 years experience, right? So he will get 4.5 lakh. So for example, tester is having 5 years experience. He will get 7.5 lakh, right? Admin. So admin is having 6 years experience. He will get 9 lakhs package. So admins, testers, developers, it would be 1:1.5. So when we coming to DevOps, so basic level, entry level, the salary packages are 3 lakhs to 5 lakhs. Entry level packages, 3 lakhs to 5 lakhs. So mid level, it would be 9 lakhs to 15 lakhs, right? So senior DevOps engineers are getting 30 to 45 lakhs package. Don't get shocked, right? So this is very, very important, right? So senior DevOps engineers are getting 30 to 45 lakhs package per annum. Fine. So companies are ready to give whatever you ask, but you need skill sets, right? So currently we are using very advanced tools, very core tools, which are like Kubernetes, Docker, Ansible, Terraform, Jenkins. These are the very advanced tools, very core tools. If you are good in these tools, you can easily grab your dream job with your expected package. Fine? Thank you all. So please subscribe our channel and click on bell icon to get the latest updates.